What's up, it's your girl Gabby and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Gabby and today I'm going to be doing a wig review on LuvMe hair. Before we get into the details, go ahead and like this video, press the subscribe button over there, you know what I'm saying, and also cut on those push notifications so you can see more videos like this. Let's get into it.
Put on a love for a favor. I'm so fatty love. Shit, what the fuck you paying for? Feeling chatty love. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. She didn't really tell you that I was a savage. Fuck you, I was in a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You need. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There it goes, maybe it's only you. With what you go. I wanna be down. No matter time, no day, night, day, to be down.
Yo, hey Mel, everybody do that until now stay on them nasty. Fix things, whippings, well alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes on me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with this big silicon and real best. And I blow a breeze for the head and penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Hey, so, shall we drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting spanking shit when Gabba go to slide. Cause I told him that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma beat downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 305s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I spit it with the knife. Be up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Kappa go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be.
Where do I start? Where do I start? Where do I start? I'll start with the packaging. First things first, their packaging comes in a really cute box. Oh my goodness, let's get into it. I love the purple. I love the bow tie. Everything is cute. I'm sorry. I'm a package type of girl, so this is really giving what it's supposed to give, and I'm digging it. They give you so many treats. Oh my goodness. First things first, the unit came in this really cute mesh bag with their logo right there on the front. This is something that I probably use to toss my wig in, you know, after I take it off, just to keep it, you know, protected. So this will definitely come in handy. It also comes with the net wig cap thing that comes on it, the little mesh cap comes with that as well. Then it comes with this other little bag that has other goodies in it. So it comes with this set of lashes. It has 2 sets of lashes in there. So nice. Get into it. And they look like good quality lashes. So yeah, your girl will be using those. Comes with those. It also comes with these press-on nails. I have my nails done, so I probably won't be using these for a minute. I mean, I don't know. I don't really wear colored nails, but these are cute. I mean, I think that will come in handy for sure. This cute little scrunchie, y'all. First things first, I really like scrunchies. I really do. It relieves tension from your hair, and I really just enjoy, like, they're just cute. They give me like that 90s vibe, and I love that. So weird. It also comes with these really cute, I want to say they said these were Swarovski, I'm not sure, but it comes with these really cute like diamond crested earrings, hoop earrings, and your girl loves her hoops. I have on hoops now, and as a matter of fact, I might put these in my ears instead. It would go so nicely with my necklace. So yes, I love that. Ooh, and then it also came with this really cute, I'm not sure what color that is. It's almost like a purplish color, but it's a knocker for your phone. It's like a little back handle thing. I'm not gonna take it all the way out, but I wanna put this on my phone. It's like a little handle thing. This is so cute. This is really cute. That's a really nice gift. Oh, and then it also comes with this comb. Yes, yes, yes. Love me, yes. A girl can always use an extra comb, and then another little bag that you can probably just use for, you know, little whatevers. And then it just comes with like their return policy and yeah, like a little gift card. So yeah, it comes with some really good treats. These are awesome. I really think they'll come in handy. And yeah, this is great. Thank you, LuvMe. So let's get into the details of this unit here. You hear me? Let's get into it. So first things first, I absolutely love this hair. There's no cap in my wrap. I swear by this. This hair is so smooth. I'm talking so smooth, silky smooth. It takes heat amazingly. Like no problem with heat. I had little to no shedding. This is a 13x4 HD Swiss lace unit. This is 24 inches. I'll show you from the side. Very, very, very true to life. And see, I'm I'm 5'2", 5'3", so yeah, this is like very long for me, but this is like as long as I probably would go. But I love the length. It's full all the way to the ends for the most part. I think, yeah, they're pretty full all the way to the end. Yeah, absolutely nothing negative to say. Oh, except for, and this isn't even really negative, but I felt like the way the cap is, it's not necessarily a big head friendly. And I said this in my other video with the Ulera hair unit. It was like, I don't know if they're making them different nowadays, but I've never had issues with my head size, and I do have a pretty, large size head, but I've never had that issue. Maybe, I don't know if it's a new thing, maybe it's just, I don't know if my head grew, swelled up, I don't know. I did have a little trouble with like the sizing of it, but I definitely made it work. And with this one, I thought that the hairline was just so amazing. I did go through and bleach the knots again. And I did go through and customize it, but it really didn't need that much. I honestly could have wore it as is, but I just wanted it to look extra natural because I just thought the quality of this hair was just so amazing. So yeah, absolutely no issues with heat, shedding, none. The density on this is 180%, and it is also, in my other video, I mentioned how that wig was 180% density, and you can totally see the difference. You can see a complete difference in what I was saying. And like even from the front, because I mentioned how I like to wear my hair towards the front, and like I can, and it's still just like a little bit of hair in the back. You know what I'm saying? Like it looks full. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this hair. It's so beautiful, and I really feel like it'll last a long time if you keep up with it. But yeah, I did this without the baby hairs this time. I don't know, I'm just trying to go more the natural route. I mean, I don't mind baby hairs, but I think that the whole natural look is very suiting, especially with the whole springtime. Like, just want to, I don't want to overdo it. So yeah, this hair is amazing, and I swear by it, y'all. It's no cap, I promise you. Check them out, LuvMe Hair. I will put details down in the description box below so you can check them out yourself. Also, another thing, their form of communication is amazing. They check in with you, make sure you're getting your packages. I really think that that's what it's all about, making sure that your customers are having quality service. I feel like today's time, I've had so many issues with hair companies, and not even like that. I'm not gonna say hair companies, but I've had issues where, I felt like I was being gypped, for not even that good of quality hair. So to have this company who has such good quality hair and really treat their customers like they care about you and not just the hair is amazing. So yeah, that's all I have for y'all today. Go ahead and check them out. I'll link them down below again. And yeah, go ahead and like this video, press that subscribe button, and also cut on those push notifications so you can see more videos like this. I love y'all oh so much. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all next time.